Well, I have boiling hot water in my hand, and I'm going to pour it into the sink. So that's an example of condensation, because when you pour hot liquid, into a bowl or something, it creates steam, which is condensation. See? Freezing is when liquid turns into a solid, then the solid is frozen. So, right here I have some water, and then the water I have will turn into ice cubes. So, for example, if I pour this into the cup, you see that the liquid takes up the container and takes up the shape of whatever it goes in. So, next, I'm going to put it into the freezer. So then after a short amount of time, it'll be frozen. And here's your example. So if you see here, I put water into this container and it could move. It kept the shape of the container. But today, I took out the cup from the freezer, and if you see here, it kept the shape of the container and it's not moving. So that is an example of liquid to solid. I have hot boiled water and ice. I'm going to show you an example of what melting is. To melt these ice cubes with this boiling hot water. And this is a good example of melting. So, if you watch here, if you see here, there's ice cubes in a bowl. And once I add the hot water, I'm very careful with, you will notice within instance, see the ice cubes, once I pour the hot water into it, it's starting to melt. And if you look here, are gone. And now ice cubes are turned into water, which is solid to a liquid. When it turns from gas to liquid. So as the water in the pot is boiling, steam comes out, and that's the gas. So I just make the heat higher, the particles in the water heat up, which tend to make the gas and the steam happen.